Yeah, guys, what do you think about this bag? I think it's so very cute. Hi guys, good morning. It's such a cold morning over here. I had already woken up earlier at around 6, then I came back to bed because I didn't have anything to do for the day. It's a weekend. It's around 11 a.m. right now and it's so cold out there. I don't feel like going out there right now. Don't worry, these are just my books. I love journaling, writing some few things, just writing what I'm grateful for in these books. So I have my charger here. So my bed is just, I literally have everything on this bed. So anyways, I won't let my day just go to waste like that. I have to find something to do. So I remembered yesterday I had gone to the market, the famous toy market, and I bought some true trousers. They were kind of cheap. I loved them because, okay, I loved the colors and they were cheap. So I just told myself, why not? One is fitting, but towards the feet, I just want to go and resize it. But the other one is so very big. But I just loved it. See my face with all the eye bags and everything. But it's all good. So that's what I'm just going to do. I'll just get up from here, then go to my fundi. I haven't done any house chores, so that's for another time. When I come back, probably I'll have a lot of energy to do that. But as for now, let's just go. In fact, let me show you what I bought first. So this is me getting out from bed. And guys, don't worry how I look. This is my face straight from bed. I hope today is going to be an eventful and a fruitful day for me, but I feel so very much tired owing to the fact that there's a lot of cold out here. And knowing me and cold, I just feel like I should stay in the house the whole day, but lazima tufanye kazi, so we must go out. Anyways, let me show you the two trousers that I bought. So this is my sexy, Aki, don't mind my room. See how my bed is. I've not yet made my bed and everything. I've just woken up. This bed is usually not being used, so my sister is not around, so it's just left there. Don't mind the mattresses. I'm working on buying that. And by the way, guys, if you can support me by that, kindly do that by subscribing to my channel and make sure you watch this video to the very end. Support a sister. Anyways, this is it. This is how I slept in this car dress. I really do love this dress. Let me know, what do you think about this dress? Is it pretty? See that? I think it's so pretty. Anyways, let me just show you the trousers real quick. This is the first one. I'll go and resize this trouser number 2, and as you can see, it's a little bit big. See that difference, and even at the legs. And by the way, I also have a bag which I bought. So see this bag. Okay, it's good quality and everything, but the only downside is the other straps. You can see how imetokana, they're not in pretty good shape. So I'm going to also take it to the tailor and see if it can be mended, like if they can put another fabric hapa juu ndo ikae at least ionekane vizuri. I don't know why I'm stammering and I'm out of breath. Seemingly I've been doing a lot of work and that I've not done any work. I don't know why. Am I fit or I'm not fit? Leave it in the comment section. Let me know. Why do you think like I'm panting and hammering a lot? I don't know. Maybe I'm not fit. Drop a comment in the comment section. So yeah, guys, what do you think about this bag? I think it's so very cute. So guys, I'm done now. I'm just leaving my room. So Yeah, let's just go. I haven't done much to myself. I do pretty, but I haven't done literally anything in the house. But anyways, we move on regardless. Don't mind the back. Don't mind all of that. So yeah, let me just clean up a little bit, then we go. Close the doors. Just closing over here. So yeah, let's go. So guys, I am back home. Just a little bit. I'm back home and I'm kind of disappointed because I didn't meet my fundi. She was not around. Apparently, she traveled back to Shago, but I got some things which I hadn't planned for because I passed by the market and you know these impulse buying things. So I just got some things which not really quite a lot. This vlog was supposed to be about a day in my life, but it seems we are going to extend it because the fundi told me she'll be back by tomorrow. So tomorrow is when I'm going to go back to her. So let's go ahead, prepare lunch, do some cleaning in the house because I left the house without cleaning. So guys, right now I've already finished everything. I now want to eat. I want to sit down, eat and just relax. It's a lazy day, so I don't have any plans to go out. So here is my food. So I'm just going to sit over here and I'll eat as I watch. My second day and I'm set. I'm about to go out, take my clothes to the food. I came back and so I had a lot of clothes that were kind of not fitting, so I'll take them along to the fundi and this is what I'll be carrying. I have a big luggage, kind of big, all these in here. I'm so very certain I'll get her today, so let's just go. So finally, I'm done with the whole jumping around here and there. Right about now, I just want to show you whatever it is that I got from Toy Market yesterday and the day before. So yeah, let's start. So this sweater top that I'm wearing, I got it from Toy Market. It's so pretty, by the way, guys. It's orangish in color. So this is the other trouser. Look at the before and the after. This one I just went to resize it. I had bought it earlier, and guys, look at this skirt. I just love it so very much. What do you think about this skirt? Drop a comment in the comment section, let me know. Then I also got this dress. It was so very much oversized, but after the tailor has done her thing, I just love it. And another dress that I love is this white one because it's so very free and just I love the color, and I can also pair it with a denim jacket and I'll be good to go. Then I also got this dress which I really love so much because of the detail at the back and also because it's kind of an A-line or flaring, and I just love it. And everything was 50 bob. All that I've shown you were 50 bob, guys. And I can also throw this sweater on top, and I got this Zara bag for 50 shillings, guys. Believe that, 50 bob. Okay, it was so very cheap. I loved it. And another thing that I bought is this scarf over here. Guys, don't you just love the color? I took it because of the colors. Like, it's just so pretty. I've not yet washed all these things, and I know after I've washed it and ironed it, it will be so pretty. So those are all the things that I got, and I must tell you, it was so affordable. Almost everything that I bought there was 50, apart from the checked skirt, which was 30 bob. Yeah, guys, so that's everything. If you enjoyed my vlog, if you enjoyed my weekend, like, I know it's a laid back and a chilled out weekend, but I hope you did enjoy whatever it is that I did. That's typically my weekends, guys. I'm alone. Like, I don't like going out most of the time. So I want it to change. I'll start going out frequently, but those are most of the things that I do during the weekend. Make sure you drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know whatever it is that interested you during my weekend, whatever it is that, how I can make it more impactful or anything. Just leave a comment in the comment section. Also, don't forget to give me likes, give this video a thumbs up, guys. Also, please share, and most importantly, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Kindly subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Join the family. So until next time, bye.